Let me give you a tour of the SOP database template for Notion. On the database page, you'll see that there's an area for you to embed a Loom video giving your teammate or partner or team member an overview of how to use your database. This is a really lean and mean database. There's not a whole lot of bells and whistles or frills here. We're really just trying to document our processes so that we can scale up and scale out as quickly as possible. One thing that you'll see on the front page is we have filters to see what needs review, what is currently depreciated, and then a list of all of our SOPs. When you click into the SOP, you'll see there's a couple things that we have here. We've hidden a couple properties for you. You can quickly link to important URLs, set a priority. We understand the status, the area of responsibility, if it's incomplete or if it needs some work, what type of SOP it is, who the owner is, who's it last edited by, and when it's last been edited. But when you move through the document, you'll see that we have a document purpose, a what, when, and why, giving your team member context as to what this is, when should I do it, and why should I do it. We also want to document any automations that are associated with this SOP. So as we're building our services and products for our customers, we're not breaking any automations, ultimately so that we can work smarter, not harder. And then we'll outline the process steps. So I've just included grayed out areas for you to paste in your own process here. And then always, I do like to celebrate team members for doing a great job at getting through an SOP or a process, building it out to the T. You'll also notice that we leave area for a Loom video and an automated table of contents so that your team members can jump right to the area that they might be having a problem with, or if they want to understand what's coming down the line. And this is the SOP database template for Notion. Thank you so much for downloading it. If you have any questions, go to agencysupply.co, send us an email, and we'll be available to help you out. Thanks all.